I previously made 2 videos on the channel about math. One about why people hate it, and one about why people love it. This video is the one that will help you have a new perspective on math class, and hopefully you will appreciate math just a little bit more. Because by changing your mindset towards math class, it can help make math a bit easier. Let's get started. Think back to math class when you were being taught something and you just knew you were never going to use it. It might have been something as simple as addition and subtraction, or as complex as finding the second derivative of a function. It's likely that most of the everyday math you encounter will be something easily dealt with using your phone's calculator. Even if you go down a career path that involves taking complex math classes, you still may not technically need it. I don't see myself entering a job where I'll need to calculate derivatives every single day, yet calculus is a mandatory course for computer science students. But instead of focusing on what you're being taught or even how you could actually use it, focus on the benefit you'll get for your brain and make that your reason to learn math. Schools don't always try to emphasize this point, but it is true. Doing math, especially complex math, is good for you. But does learning complex math really help the brain? Yes. Here's an exercise for you to try. Take a few smaller problems like the ones I have on screen. Pause the video and try to solve them in your head. Your working memory is responsible for taking in the information and trying to manipulate it to get an answer. It's the part of our mind that does the actual problem solving. If you did something like this every single day, you're going to be improving your working memory's ability to keep track of information and solve problems. Admittedly, you're not going to encounter these specific problems on a daily basis, but it's still good for your brain. With math, you learn to recognize patterns and get faster at problem solving. This leads to an overall benefit for your mind. Another way to look at why you should practice math is to consider why people jog, lift weights, or practice martial arts. Even though their regular lives may not involve a lot of running, lifting, or hand-to-hand combat, these activities are healthy for them. Their mindset is that they're doing a certain exercise to enhance their health. Similarly, if you practice math every day, not only are you training your mind, but you're also going to be better prepared for any situation that will involve math or critical thinking. So next time you go to math class, try shifting your mindset from, I'm here to learn something useless, to, I'm here to train my problem-solving skills. And now even the math problems that you'll never encounter are going to have some kind of use for you. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I look forward to delivering more content to you this summer. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. If you disagreed with anything in the video or have any feedback or just want to share your experiences with math class, feel free to leave a comment. Have a wonderful day.